Hey, well, hello to everyone out there in YouTube land. I hope that everybody is doing well. I'm doing pretty good. Can't complain. Hope that everybody is doing well. Hope everything is fine with you. I just wanted to come on quickly and kind of share with you. We just got a new canner. Now, this is a pressure canner. It's actually a pressure canner, pressure cooker, but I won't be using it for a cooker. I do have a pressure cooker already, so I probably won't be using it for pressure as a pressure cooker, but definitely as a pressure canner. And it is the T-Fal brand. And yeah, so we, you know, chose this over any other. I thought this would be the best choice for us. Uh oh. Uh oh. Okay. I'm just making sure this thing is closed. So this is our first time using it. It's not been cleaned, but it does have instructions for using it for the first time. So it tells you to fill it up halfway, which I did. I thought that this between the lines would be halfway. I filled it up with water halfway, add 4 tablespoons of baking soda, and I stirred it, of course, with a wooden spoon. Not, I mean, could have used silicone, but I didn't use any metal. Just used a wooden spoon, stirred it up, and it tells you to put it on the highest. What's the majigum? And I have it at our high maximum heat, and put it on one, because these are the dials, the Wilson jiggums that's steam. This is one, this is two, this is three, which would be like 5 pounds, 10 pounds, 15 pounds. And of course, this is the gauge here. So I got it up high, got it on one, and once the steam starts releasing, I thought I just saw something, that was my glasses. Once the steam starts releasing, then I'm supposed to turn the heat down, like maybe to medium, maybe to a more medium. It didn't say what, but it just says turn it. Let me see, make sure. I think it just says turn it down. And I'm too close to this thing with my eye. Let me move. Let me move my eye. Okay, so okay, so when the steam starts to exit the valve, then which is here. This is the valve. You can't see it down into it right now, but that's the valve. Of course, that's the valve. And then turn down the heat source and set timer to 20 minutes. Then after the 20 minutes, turn off your heat source and then release the steam. And you see that is the symbol for the steam, which is on here as well. That's the symbol for steam. And empty, and then I'm supposed to empty it. Let me see, let me be sure. Okay, it says replace this. Am I supposed to turn? Okay. Anyway, let me just take it step by step. I'm just coming with you guys, taking you guys along, just in case you have a T-Fal, because I didn't see a lot of T-Fal information on YouTube or anything like that. So let me be the influencer for that, launcher or trailblazer or something. No, no, but information source. So what I'm going to do. Oh, so after, yeah, so turn down the heat, so and then you're supposed to release the steam. Then I'm supposed to clean everything. You know, it has a gasket, it has a silicone gasket. I'll take that out and wash it, wash the top, wash everything. So that's what I'm gonna do. It did have a label on here, but I took off the label and cleaned that part off. So what I'm gonna do is just wait here until it steams, and I'll bring you guys back. Let me know if you have any questions, and what's majigum are you using, canner? I know there's so many brands, and then with the influencers who are actually on YouTube, you know, they have certain ones and whatever. But I try not to follow the herd, you know what I mean? I try to get what's best for me, not just because somebody else is saying it, because most of the times when someone is saying this, that, and the other, it's all about money. So I don't want to be bothered with that. You know, sometimes their what's the majigums are not objective. They can't be objective because they're looking for a sponsorship or something, blah blah blah. And no disrespect to anybody. I'm just saying that's my feeling on how things go. So anyway, I'll come back once this heats up, once the steam starts coming out. Okay, so unless I have this wrong, because it's coming, this is a valve also, but I thought it's supposed to come out of here because it's been almost 30 minutes that the water has taken to boil or whatever to get very hot, and water steam is coming out of here. But let me just double check here. Okay, fill the pot. Got that. Put the operating valve in place on the steam release outlet. Put the operating valve in place on the steam. Okay, I put that on there. Okay, I think this was what you call an operated valve, since you operate that one. Okay, let me just double check. Look at the, let's go back. Okay, good. So that's it. Okay, so place it on, okay, release figure. Let me just go back here. Sorry guys, but okay, no, I don't have to go back. I think, well, let's just go back for the sake of any of us who, okay, and that would be B. Okay, so that's what I thought. Just wanted to double check. B is this area here, which is that area. Better hurry up. Did it stop? Oh, I think it stopped a little bit. It might have come up. Okay, anyway, let me just get back to this. One thing at a time, side. Okay, so then I positioned the symbol on the number one valve, number one setting on the valve, which is A, opposite the marker L, figure 7. Close the pressure cooker, place the pressure cooker on the heat, set it to maximum power. When steam begins to exit the valve, figure 12, turn down the heat and set a timer to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat source. So figure 12 is not left, but figure 12 is right, if I'm not mistaken. Let's just do a little double check here. Figure 12. Figure 12 shows this operating valve, not that left side. So I'll come back. So it's just, I guess it was just releasing, which is what it's supposed to do. That's one of the safety measures in case it gets too hot. Oh, and it's building. Okay, now it's building. I see that this valve is building. So I guess in a few minutes we're going to have some steam. So I'm really excited about this. I've had this since May. Yes, it's September now, but it takes me some time. First of all, it takes me a long time to research products that I want to buy. It takes me a long time. Then I always pray, let this thing go on sale. Then, there's so many variables when I'm trying to purchase something. But then, there were so many things going on. You got your garden, you got home, you got so many things going on. So I couldn't get to this yet. So now that my garden is taking off and I've been freezing things to make, different things, for different food preservation projects or whatever, I had to hurry up, and because the freezer is it's like, look, I can't hold anymore. You're gonna have to start canning these things, or throw us away, or give us away, or something. So anyway, so I wait. Like now it says 1, which is 5 if you would use a different altitude wise, if you're using a different whatsamajigam. So anyway, so let's see if this comes up in a few minutes, and I'll come right back for ya. With ya. Okay, y'all. You hear that? Oh, and there's steam. So they should be working in conjunction with one another. I don't know if you can hear the little hissing. for something dark. Ooh, okay. It's got a little steam. Feel nice too. Oh my God. That feels nice. Mm. So I guess it'll come out in a few minutes. I don't know if we want to wait or I'll just get you guys back. But it looks like it's going to go out of range though on this end. But it said once it starts coming out of here. But maybe this is the come out. Okay, look up. There it is. Okay. You probably didn't see that, but it's got a little steam. Okay, there it is again. It's spurting and sputting it. I don't want to burn it. You see, I don't know if you saw that. I don't want to get burned because that part, the other, okay, there it is. Now, it says turn it down. I guess that's good enough. I don't know if I should wait until it is a steady steam. Actually, okay, there it is. I think it's a steady-ish steam. You see that? It's just not consistent for some reason. Okay, okay. Okay, there we go. Kind of consistent. Okay, I'm going to turn it down like it suggests. I'm just going to put it on maybe like 4 because this is the power. Let me see. I turned it down. Okay, I turned it down. I think it says, let me grab the instructions. Shoots, I forgot. So, yeah, so once you do that, turn it down and then set your timer to 20 minutes. And once your 20 minutes has elapsed, then turn it down, turn it off, turn off the eye. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, it's been 20 minutes and I think it tells me to. Oh, okay. I thought it released the steam. Oh, that's a lot of noise. But there is steam. Again, it's not consistent, but okay, so I'm going to come back once this is done releasing the steam. I'm laughing at myself. I forgot to turn off the heat. That was one of the turn off the heat and then release the pressure. Anyway, I turned it off now. Oh my goodness, learning curves. So it's off. Okay, so since I've turned the heat down, duh. You can see that the heat source, I mean the what's the majigum has gone down also, and it stopped once I turned the heat off. Okay, so I'm going to wait about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I will open it up. So I was just enjoying myself, watching black swallowtails just float all through the garden. And I'm so grateful because I started late, but I see different flowers coming up. I see my feverfew, my calendula, what else came up that wasn't up before, and a couple other things. But my coneflower, not yeah, my coneflower, my asters, my yellow asters, my foxglove, and what else was I waiting for? My bee balm. Those haven't come up yet, and I might see them this year and I might not. But if I don't, at least I'll see them next year by God's grace. And someone else gave me some more natives, some black-eyed Susan, and some different other things. So I shall be able to see those probably next year also. So by God's grace. So anyway, oh, look at the steam on the ceiling. Okay, so yeah, so I just took the top off. It did drip a little bit, even though, I did tip it away from me. And the water looks gross, but of course it's not bad. It's just baking soda or whatever. So I'm going to let this cool off. And because I got a couple other things I need to clean. I need to clean my water filter system and something else. So, but yeah, so there we are, people. If you have any questions or if you have any suggestions, let me know. I will be hopefully coming back because I need to do some broth, vegetable as well as turkey, and got a lot of jams and preserves and stuff like that to do. So, but let me know if you have any questions, any comments, or any suggestions. If you have, the T-Fal. Or whatever, or plan on getting one or whatever. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for walking through these steps with me because it was a bit intimidating. I'm used to water bath canning and dehydrating, of course, and whatever, but not pressure cooking. Even my mother, let me see, I know she did wax and I think water bath canning because she did a lot of canning too. But I don't remember a pressure canner in the house. But nonetheless, it's something I got to do, and I feel a bit comfortable with it. I've read the manual. I've watched a few videos, that little tiny ones that are out there who give some information. So anyway, let me get off of here. I got so much to do, guys. So much to do. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for again for hanging out with us, and we love you very much. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.